You must have seen a lot of Facebook profile pictures with custom frames on it, and you might have wondered how you can make your own custom frames so that everyone can use it. Today I'm going to show you how you can do it. Hey guys, I'm Sole from eStar TV and let's get started. So basically there are two steps. Number one, to make the frame, and number two, to publish it. So to make the frame, you can make the frame anywhere. You can make it in Photoshop. You can even make it on your phone in Pixel Lab or in Adobe Photoshop Touch. You can make it anywhere you want. Just make sure that the frame is square in shape and have a transparent background, and that's it, and you are good to go. You can make the frame any way you like, just make sure that it does not contain any explicit content so that it does not get banned from Facebook. So the next step is to publish it. To publish it, follow the steps which I am showing you. And that's it. Now your custom frame is live on Facebook and anybody can search it and use it for their own profile pictures. So that's all for this video guys. If you have liked this video, give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, that would be great, and I will see you in the next one. Signing off and goodbye.